Hey. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start mining Ethereum in less than 5 minutes. You're gonna have to have at least one GPU on your system. I use 7 GPUs and a Windows 10 operating system. Previously, I was using nicehash for my mining, but I decided to change that and start using PHOENIXMINER instead. What I didn't like about nicehash, it was quite unstable. It used to crash a lot. I mean, the whole application itself. But ever since I've been using PHOENIXMINER, everything has been really smooth. My system has been running smoothly, without restarts, without any bugs for days. That's why I truly recommend to start with PHOENIXMINER. So in order to start mining Ethereum, you're gonna have to need two things: the PHOENIXMINER itself and a crypto wallet. Your wallet is going to be the place you're gonna store your cryptos in. Specifically, you're gonna store your Ethereum. So you can get like any wallet you want, but I recommend using MetaMask. I always use MetaMask. It's safe, it's secure, it's proven. And yeah, so just go get it. Click on the link, get a MetaMask, set it up as a new wallet. Definitely read all the things you can if you're new to this. Set up a new password. Some info about security, definitely watch it. So yeah, this is your secret backup phrase. Definitely store it somewhere in a safe place. Don't copy it and don't store it on your computer. So it's going to ask you to name the words from your seed phrase in order to know that you have actually written it down somewhere. Do just that. Click. Definitely read these security rules if you're new to this. So there you go, your new wallet currently has 0 ETH. We're gonna change that in a moment. But for now, we need to have the MetaMask always sitting in the right upper corner on your Chrome or Brave browser. It's just always easier to access it that way. So yeah, click on the MetaMask icon. And here you will see that you currently have 0 ETH. Here you can see your wallet address. If you click on it, it will automatically be copied to your clipboard. So click. So yeah, now you have your wallet address copied. It's time to get your PHOENIXMINER. Go to this link, get the latest version of PHOENIXMINER for Windows. Windows will probably say that it's unsafe or something like that, but you can just open it in new Incognito window and it will download it. So that's an easy way to bypass it. Yeah, I'm using private with Tor. So this is a Brave browser and it allows me to download this file without any problems from Windows. So basically I just get the zip file one way or another to your computer. So then you have to unzip the folder. I'm just gonna copy everything to the desktop so it's much easier to show you everything. So here's the most important part. Once you've downloaded the PHOENIXMINER and you have your wallet ready, click on Edit to the startminer.bat file. This is the place where you will enter your mining address. So you won't mine your Ethereum to some stranger's wallet address. It's really important. You have to enter your own wallet address here. But first you have to set up the right mining pool. I'm going to be using ethermine.org. So go to ethermine.org. You're just gonna have to copy these things to your startminer.bat file. For example, if you live in Europe, just copy this address and paste it into your file. In my case, it's eu1ethermine.org and 5555. Pool 2 is like a backup server. In case the first server does not want to connect, it will use the other one. And yeah, here is like I said, the most important part. You have to copy your wallet address to the file. We're gonna be replacing this guy's address to your own. So copy your address from the wallet and paste it in here. And after that, you can just rename your mining rig whatever you want. In this example, we're gonna name it Moneymaker. Save the file. Minimize the window. So yeah, you're ready to mine. Just open the file. Here you can nicely see all your GPUs. If you have one, you will probably see just one. I have 7, so you can see all the GPUs here. And yeah, you're gonna also need an application called Afterburner. or MSI Afterburner. We're going to be using that to overclock your GPU settings so you get more mining profits. So in order to do that, just open up the MSI Afterburner. For example, in my case, I'm going to be using the RTX 3070. And yeah, you just have to tweak these settings. Okay, regarding these MSI Afterburner settings, you can tweak them on your own or you can find them online. Just search for overclock mining settings for your card. For example, if I'm using RTX 3070 with Afterburner, I'm going to search RTX 3070 Afterburner mining overclock settings, something like that. There are many websites that have listed the best settings for these cards, but sometimes you have to like tweak it a little bit in order to get the best results. So yeah, once you got everything in place, once you've been mining for a while, you can just go to ethermine.org, enter your wallet address and see how much money you've made, how much ether you made, and you can also see when the payouts will be made to your wallet. And once the payouts are made to your wallet, you can do whatever you want with your Ethereum. You can cash it out for fiat money, you can stake it somewhere, you can put it in, for example, BlockFi, like I am, where it just earns you interest passively. There are many ways. You can buy some altcoins with it. Yeah, the world is yours. Okay, arrivederci for now.